Okay, so I put anti-D Oban because Oban is 30.
Yes.
So let me put the accents.
Very
Then
good.
D is less.
Yes.
So that's, we're taking away 3. 3 is eta, so.
Hold on,
Yeah,
what?
check
Yeah.
it, check it. Remember I explained the li
Lead.
and the ni. The li means something and the ni means something. Same thing. It means in. The ni is the reverse of in.
Oh, okay. So
Huh?
the knee is, those are both add. Like you're
L is also li.
Okay. But
So
I got,
that
I got,
lead-
I got D though.
Huh?
I have D though.
No, you still miss that L
Oh,
there.
yeah.
You don't have to add the I to make it complete. So write L right there.
Okay, so see what he's doing?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you don't have anything like that. If it's closer to 30, we use 30 and then do the drag
Yeah.
like that. Oh.
You use
Yeah.
you use the higher when it's
Yeah.
closer to that
See,
high.
I didn't know that. I
Okay,
thought,
I mean,
yeah.
just to bring that up.
Oh, okay. So 5
You
is
use
over,
the-
you use the next
Yes,
big
you,
one.
Next
you
one.
use the higher. The moment you pass the 5, start using the higher.
Oh.
All right.
Remember, there's a reason
I still don't get the L part though.
Okay,
Professor
let me
used
explain that again.
20, 30, 40, 50. So,
I have
yeah.
to.
So
Meta,
you
I go.
to the next
It's easier
step.
just to start off
D,
with the base first.
Right, that's why you-
and you're going to listen now.
Oh,
Meta D, loan.
I just add the other stuff.
Okay.
This will be what?
meta
I thought
D.
that was 27. That's what I.
It is? No, don't think. Be sure. 27, right? Meta is what?
20. I mean,
No,
7.
3.
Minus.
D is what?
Minus
Minus.
3 minus.
And L is what?
Yeah, I just know Oakland is 30.
Yeah.
L is in.
L is in.
Yeah. Which means meta minus in
Oh, within 30.
Within-
minus 30.
within 30.
Okay. Okay. that's-
All right? But check this. I only use one L.
Mhm.
This is abbreviate. What do you call it? Shorten
Mhm.
for simplicity. And I told you that when they want to pronounce it, they just say metadilogu,
Mhm.
right? So this L is supposed to be L-I. You know it internally
Mhm.
that this L is L-I.
Okay.
Now, if I remove this, it's still valid, right? But it looks like this a Yoruba person is not saying this.
Oh, okay.
So if I say metadio, it's not a Yoruba person saying it.
Yeah, isn't that
That's
17?
what that L
Oh, I
stands for.
thought when you were saying that L, I thought you were talking about
No,
A and B.
that is 2 of them. That L is part of it as well.
Wouldn't it be meta D logbon? 27.
Yes, metadilogbon. Sorry about that. Metadilogbon.
So that would be
20,
17. That would be-
this will be 17.
17.
Yes. This will be 17.
Meta
Alright.
D logun because
This will be
we are
17.
subtracted from Ogun 20.
Ogun. All right.
So one more question: the when you choose to put the M or not,
Right.
I thought you didn't put the M in front of there because you were adding.
When I say marundinlogun, I'm counting.
You're counting.
When I say that, I start to count now.
Okay.
So if you are using it in a sentence, and I say, I brought arundinlogun of such and such. It will not sound
It did not
very
sound
right. But if I say, I brought marundinlogun of that sounds like you brought it because it's counted. You counted it. Right. You can point to the wall and say, written over there is arundinlogun. That's correct. But if you are bringing physical stuff, How much did you bring? Marun. Marun of what? Marun dilogun of certain amount.
So it depends on what you're saying.
It depends on what you're saying in a
It's
sentence.
so confusing.
Is that confusing?
It's like two ways to say numbers that I don't know. I don't
Meta
like.
dilogun.
Yep, and then meta.
Meta dilogun.
Yeah.
And because you still have M in there. If I remove this, if I cover the M, it becomes that.
Oh.
Yes, ni is same thing as li.
So would they ever like put an in there, like in?
If somebody, maybe somebody from Benin Republic,
Okay.
we say meta dinogun, right? Some place in the Yoruba land we say meta dinogun, right? Then we say, no, we don't say it like that because in our area we say meta dinogun, right? But it's still valid. That's why I put the two examples there.
Okay, I'm just making sure.
Okay. But I want you to lean towards the lead. Very good. Nice. No claps?
No, he didn't teach us anything. He just,
Oh, I'm sorry.
He taught me.
yeah, he just showed you
Explain.
So-
Explain to them.
32.
your thinking is what I want, your
Right, right,
process.
So 32, so it's between 1 and 5. So we're adding in this time, we're counting. So
There we go.
the base is 30, so oban, or,
There you go. The base is 30, right?
yeah, so you're adding 2 to it, so le, to
Meji.
name the 2,
Bingo.
meji, le lobo.
There you go.
All right.
You pretty much got the
He
base.
does.
That's what I really wanted to
Oh,
hear.
okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Great-
we'll work
great
on the
start.
accent next time.
Yeah,
I'll work on that too.
Great
Okay.
start.
Yeah.
You're already seasoned, so no problem.
Hold on, sorry. Okay. I know. Is it still stubborn? Okay.
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. And then I'll do the next
Without
one.
looking
G
at
is 50, or 40, sorry.
Yes.
And Maryland is 5, and D is less, so 40 less than 5. So 35.
Very good.
And
You put the accent later.
I didn't write that.
Right. How do you simplify méjì lé lógún?
Okay, so this is 40.
Méjì lé. Something is missing there. Say it so that you can find it.
Finish it. Le,
So maybe no E? Is that what it is? I don't know.
Yes, you do. You just forgot. Méjì lé lógójì, lógójì, lógójì.
the L.
Oh, I think so. Okay, hold on.
You had it. You just didn't
So
finish
it's
pronouncing.
like that.
Yes,
Okay.
like that.
Meji.
Méjì. J-I. There you go.
Okay.
You see that? Very good.
That's
Beautiful.
good.
Are you coming along, dear?
Coming along. And yesterday, last week was very smooth. You just. Are you putting on the M?
No,
On the E?
so it should be, what's it, that?
Yeah.
That?
Mary, you only need accent on that one. Accent on that.
Okay.
No accent on that one.
No accent on the I?
Yes. E. You got
That's right.
that one. You
Okay.
got the rest. And there's a dot right there. Very good.
All right,
Yes.
so then 41, so I wouldn't use,
But you won't write it like that. You will write it small letters.
Yeah.
The DI should be small letters. Both.
oh, like
Yeah.
D like that?
Yes.
Right.
like that.
Okay. All right, so 40 wouldn't be like that. So 40 would be,
I agree. Okay.
and it's going to be a plus, or we're adding, so it's Lee, right? Is it L-I or L-E?
L-E,
L-E,
which is late.
Lee. Right? And 40, wait, no, that was 40. So it's 40 plus 1.
That's a way to count. That's very interesting that you wrote many.
Yeah.
You see that? That's an interesting way.
Yeah.
But you wouldn't write it like that.
Don't write like that for no
No.
meaning?
Yeah.
You just
When
say,
you look up.
"Oh, come."
Yeah.
You know what, I had that too, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember when they
Okay.
said there are exceptions, but
Yeah.
Okay, so
Lay. Oh, come.
okay.
Lay. Logoji.
The extra.
You already broke
Oh,
it
do I need
down.
it?
yeah, you are
You
breaking.
need that extra L
L.
to join them together. Like that.
Yeah. There you
Look.
go.
Okay.
Li, right?
Uh-huh.
That li, which is, I told you, is also ni.
Yeah.
Logoji, right? Uh-huh. So the I now is silent. That's why you're using the L.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So anytime you bring words together like that,
Use the L.
uh-huh,
Okay.
you use the L. That's how you're going to be using it till you get to 100, 120, 150, and so on.
Okay. So do I need to? I don't need any accents or anything.
Yes.
I do.
Oh, come. Oh, come. Yes. Very good.
How did you get that?
Le,
How do you what?
Those accents?
accents?
Yeah, how did you
From what
really
you
get
were saying. You
Oh,
said,
listening to
she
it.
was listening to me.
Oh, good.
But that's what she,
Because I'm like, she got it so easily.
yeah. That is
Like
that's
the
the
music.
secret of the whole thing.
Yeah.
If you can capture that accent in your mind, because it's three
Right.
tones.
The way I remember is
Yes.
like in music, like
Yeah.
when you're in choir, because I'm in choir.
You're a choir person,
When they
yes.
want you to hit a high note,
Uh-huh.
they usually do like this with their right hand.
Right.
So
Ah, okay.
Oh,
I do it
okay.
like this,
Uh-huh.
and if they want you to go low,
You
know,
go the
the
other
left
way.
side is always down. So
All right.
that's how I would do it.
Wow.
That's very interesting. And that's why I was explaining about the Yoruba use of expression. And everything down. It goes down and then it goes, Yes.
Sheila, the last one that she
Yes.
did, we don't have to put the MU in the front at all.
Put what? The end?
MU, the move.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
You can.
What did you say?
The move.
This is Okon.
Yeah.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
You can say Mokon.
Okay, that's what you said.
You can say Mokonly. I'll write it. Like that.
No, that's how you have it.
And if you have it like that, you're right. Right? And then you can write it that way as well. It's still valid. It's when you are using it that people will know whether you are Yoruba or not. When you know exactly when to use the M and when not to use the M, that's when people will figure that out. But you got the basic. What is essential, you have it down. All right? And all this is very important.